good evening and welcome on top of the night show for...
Have you started?
We've started it.
So, oh.
Hey, sit down. My producer don't know so don't start show.
Sorry about that.
Say you learned.
My hair's not done.
My producer don't know so don't start show. Wait. Since we don't start show now, and you don't know so don't start show. Calm down. Stay. Mini match, please put your hands together for mini match. Easy beats, mini match. Now, since you don't we don't go through everything. No, I know. Now, since you don't do here now, you go use your language to introduce the show. Oh yeah. Duam.
If I do it, I can go.
If after you do finish, you go.
Ok. Bonsoir tout le monde, salut, bienvenue au show, le night show avec ici Nedu, c'est votre frère Easy Beats, le DJ le plus beau et bien sûr on a des guests mais ils sont pas encore là. Moi, vous voyez, je suis pas trop belle là donc il faut que je parte mais je vous bien sûr invite à venir nous écouter, nous voir au night show. Mais il faut que moi je parte maintenant parce que je peux pas rester là.
Oui. Hey, so, je ne pas choix les gentlemen et vous, j'ai les mots, j'ai les mélangés, les rapport, you know, mais les gentlemen, les fait de mais gentlemen, les easy bit, oui.
Les vous, les mazou, les toi la rêver, les mou, Nedu.
Oui. Anyway, welcome to the live show for today, Wednesday, 26th of March 2015. My name is Nedu. Katim never come. Na Katim de traffic. Una know as Lagos traffic there na. Katim they come from Chevron. I been where she they come. Na Chevron abi. Katim they come from Chevron. So traffic day road. She go soon reach here. When she reach here, she go continue join us for where we dey. But anyway, welcome to the show for today. But before we enter matter of for today's show, you get some kind of gist where they ground. Easy beat. I don't know whether I don't hear that gist. What I would like me to talk about before we enter the proper cocoa wedding for today. You get one woman. Make I ask you. You know, say some religion. Well, man, not say some religion. Those girls where they sell them body for money, una know una self. Make I not call una name finish. Una know una self. Make I just call them prostitutes them. Now, some it they wrong. All of them, all the things they wrong. For some countries, them approve them. But it can't get one Muslim lady. Where one do the she want do the thing. But she call this in and say, if she do na bad thing
na bad thing for her religion.
For her religion.
Oh,
so
okay.
before she do her new style, na say any man will call her for phone, say make she come, make them browse website, make them wipe. She and the man go marry.
Marry don't be bad thing.
So she see the girl, she and the man go first marry. After they don't marry for 1 hour,
For
when
1
they
hour.
don't for 1 hour,
They will separate.
when they don't finish, when they don't wipe finish, then they'll come cancel the marriage.
Yeah.
She go collect her money, she go house. So now, I can't think do you think if she don't marry now, does that make it right? Because she should not marry now, husband and wife.
Abi.
Now husband and wife wiping be that. Abi, how you say it wrong, Abi, it right? Think about it.
You get that CV. Okay, what if the man where she come marry for 1 hour now? Maybe after they don't just marry finish.
The wiping can't enter her head.
No, not even the wife. The man just tell her say, I get business I want to go do. I go see you later.
No, as in after they don't wipe on.
No, before they wipe.
No, why the man go say later before they wipe? No,
let's assume that the man can't come out. He can't go somewhere. He not come back that day. No, so they still married.
No, now more money for the man now. Now more money where the man go pay.
Because
but agreement
technically, the person wife should be now. She not go fee.
If like that thing, it's not they do this thing. Anyway, and then the second story where they say there for today. This one na cho but what women they do. But what women they do. Now, you get one woman, then be two, then inside the yard, inside the same compound. One of the woman, her husband don't go village. She travel. Now, the other woman where they inside compound, come they gossip her husband don't go village. Say that woman, Uju, say if they follow other young boys, where they come wipe her for house. The woman don't hear the gist. She don't do anything. Now one day, now she vex. go attack this guy Choma where they talk the gist. Eh? And if he beat me for good. I bet see the picture. He bites the woman lips come out.
What they do this on a vampire?
That lips where she take they do the gossip.
For your life.
For your life. For the rest of your life. If you see gossip, you go run.
You go run. If you hear go.
If you hear go. Now they bite the lips come out. Okay. After this story now, you get another story. Now women, now food story. I don't know why women, everything now bite. This one now woman friend. The woman not they always there. Her friend now come they go. Her husband, her friend husband house. Go they wipe the man for house.
Yeah.
Now, I didn't mean a normal wiping in the wipe. You go house. After wiping, you go house. If for good. This one, when then the wipe now, then the man come tell and talk say, "There's the microphone. There's the microphone." She can't say, "Make she go down. Go test microphone of the man." I don't know whether na aqua conversion hold the woman. I don't know. Now she come bite the man when she. He bites the man machine gun come out. I did mean another thing. Say he bite him, can't get wound. He go say he bite the machine gun come out. So how the man want to explain? Give him wife say actually is your friend. Anyway, when I welcome proper to the night show for today. Today on top of the night show, he get one guest when he be say we go follow talk for night show. But now later at the end of the show now we go follow up talk. This guy now writer now in be it's not at young age. They write film, they write story. Where plenty people don't use for film. But the funny part we say as they don't use them for film, nobody even say okay, double swallow to this guy or they give credit to the guy. Nobody give credit to the guy. Now just which one where the guy write recently and they give credit to the guy. The guy name now Legacy. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm sure I know the name when Papa give him be that. But we'll go follow the guy talk later. But the Tori when we say they on top today, the topic of today.
They do this how they like.
Now, he gets one man. He don't marry. They don't get one pikin for house. Now they get house girl. Easy bit if you see this house girl. The house girl set die find her, but the house girl they very very loyal. The woman trust her well because the woman don't deal with the girl for a long time. Trust the girl well say the girl not feel do any bad thing.
Yeah.
Now, as the girl don't gonna grow now, don't they begin browse website wipe for outside. You don't come stop wiping. She don't know what wiping be now. She don't set everything. Don't arrange watermelon. All those things. Idiot. Why they do?
No, I give you back over that.
Now the Katim where they see it. Now, this woman go come go work. This girl now where the woman trust say not go do anything. Give the husband. Now the woman, now the girl now. Congo, they always carry body, they give the husband.
They give the husband.
Where the husband, they go allow me rapper fall. Oh, sorry. You come bend down. Come pick the rapper. The husband go see everything. Then one day, the husband dey inside room. Now the girl enter, may go clean room. Now so he let the rapper fall. As the rapper fall now, as a man. As a man. And the man answer the spiritual call. Begin follow the girl. They kiss. They kiss. They sit down there. Now, Tarawa kiss. Biki where they inside the room, can't cry. Now, Biki where cry, now make them no wipe. Now, this man no want this thing. He now the think how he go take tell him wife. Say, see what thing this your house girl they do. Because the wife trust the girl. The wife will not believe her. So, the work topic of today, if now you be this man, how you go take tell your wife, say, your house girl, the open body to give you. And if you be woman where they there, how you expect may this man take talk out? For you anyway, now go grab small chicken, we'll come back. We'll continue it on top the night show for this night. Katim see the road they come, hand over to Easy Bit. I'm going to say so. Numbers down there on top of TV, make you begin the colors. Today, on I get show today. You will not say since on Monday, we will not be, we will not
take us like that.
Take across like that because of the guests where they get. Some guests where they get. But today, we say make we give una what we go discussion. This matter, since last week, we supposed on discussion and when they don't send the message, but we never want to discuss them yet. So today, our phone numbers, TV, make you begin to call us, make we know what you get to talk on top the matter. If now you be this man, where house girl, where be like Nicki Wominaji, they give you body like this, and you know what? Because you're spiritual, your mind is telling you. Now this guy one, I tell you, this kind of thing where R. Kelly sings. Say my body is telling me, I take singer.
R. Kelly.
Now R. Kelly now, my mind is telling me, yeah. My body is telling me no. This kind of one, your mind they tell you, go do it, but your spirit tells you, now I want to try it. Now to start this matter, easy bit. If not you, how you go to tell your wife? Say,
but the thing is, now the house girl, now they try seduce the man.
Now the house girl try house girl they try seduce the man.
They try seduce the man. I go just come out plain. I will tell my wife, say, man, see the way the parrot take be. But number one, you know, if your wife trusts you, you ain't gonna say you know do. You understand? But if not me, I will come out, I will tell her.
See, you don't understand. The wife trusts the house girl well. Well. Say, she go feel vouch. In fact, she feel cut her finger for the house girl.
Say she even trust the house girl past the husband?
Past the husband. So now, and you don't want to one because I know one shit on my wife.
But if you don't they do now, she be not with the baby stop you. Isn't it?
From Port Harcourt, good evening. Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Good evening. How you doing, my brother?
I'm fine.
How today?
Yeah.
If now you, what you go do for this matter, Frank?
Okay. That's how I do be say. I will tell my wife the truth. And if you don't believe me, anything will happen, you don't go blame me again.
Oh, wait, Frank. You are a bad somebody. So you go tell your wife the truth. If your wife no can believe you, then you go continue the...
I don't go continue. I will not continue, but because of the case,
wait, you say you not go continue. In case of the case, I say the guy open for you, your wife now.
Yeah, you know that nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect, so I can fall. But the issue is that I have to tell my wife so that he can help me.
Help you how?
Help us.
So I think that to want the girl so that I can start where I come. You know that thing when they are always, go slow.
All right, no Wahala, Frank. Thank you very much. Now, this way Frank talk now makes sense. If not you, Jessica, good evening. Jessica, call us back. If not, this way Frank talk now, so okay. If I guess I not go talk. If not me, wait till I go do.
See Nedu.
If not me, I not go talk. Wait till I go do. So now two things is either say you keep quiet. They chop the thing. The girl no go tell you. Mama, wait now. Not wait. I want. Since the wife trusts the girl, the wife go believe say no. She can't do this kind of a thing. She can't do.
So you can just chop.
You can just say no. Not besides say you be mumu. I say now two. Now two things. It's either say you they chop the thing, nobody know, or say you outrightly say you don't want, then tell your wife. You now, if now you wait till you go do. I will ask you before.
Number one, see.
Sorry, before you answer, from Ikorodu, good evening.
Good evening. My name is Miss Tori from Ikorodu.
Miss Toria called Victoria.
Misura. They do mind yourself. Why you put Katim this night?
Katim the traffic, oh.
Now you put up for that traffic.
Not be me, oh. At the crest.
Because you won't bring your friends, babe, Abby.
Now my producer be that, too.
Easy, please. How you doing?
Fine, no, Musura. They fine, Jerry. Good evening.
Good evening.
Misura, if now you, where do you go? Put Chukman for this matter.
My brother, if not me, I go hook my tell my husband.
Okay, no, you see, if now you be the husband now, if now you be the husband, imagine, put your place in the place of the man now, and this kind of thing they happen. How you go tell your wife?
I go use time now, and I not to plead, I go plead it that make you know best.
Okay, Misura, as you be the wife now, how you expect me your husband tell you?
He go prostrate for grand.
Prostrate waiting. He do the girl anything?
I beg you, not be to do him be, not be to do level he reach.
Anyway, Misura, thank you very much for your call. Thank you very much. From Lokoja, good evening.
Hello.
Blessing, how you day?
Fine.
How Lokoja today?
Lokoja is fine.
So, Blessing, if now you, what do you think about this matter?
Nedu, the truth is it don't happen to me, and I want to share my experience.
How it take happen?
Yes, so the girl we supposed to take care of my children. My husband can't tell me, say, if I come out, say, na so they show him some kind style.
Hey! Style, Abib!
He can't tell me I don't believe him. So he can't say, okay, for his marriage to stay, the best thing,
make the girl go.
Make the girl they go. I can't say, but these children, you know that they go up. He said, think I choose between the girl
and
the marriage. When I come go tell people now, they go tell me, say, I better listen to her, but then I put person on. Not be everybody can do this kind of thing. If not, I don't get made with that.
Abi, Blessing, thank you.
Where this kind of thing they happen to.
So Blessing for you.
If your husband even greet or even give you sign, no. Make you listen, so that you don't go lose your marriage.
Okay. So for you now, you make the woman, make the husband tell the woman so that they go pursue the girl. Go.
Make you just tell her, say, see what they happen, and because I love you,
okay.
I don't want make it happen.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Blessing from Lokoja. Thank you. Hello, Ijoma from Lagos. Good evening. Ije Bombs.
Hello.
Ije baby, how is you?
Hello, Nedu. Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
Fine. Where is Katim?
Katim the traffic. You know Lagos traffic, and today traffic na die.
Sure, not complete without Katim.
She dey come. She dey road. They come. She go soon reach.
Okay.
So tell me, if now you, what you get to talk about this matter?
The thing I go talk be say, if I be the man, let the man kukuma go tell the wife the truth. Say, see what thing they happen for your house. So,
okay.
This place where you think say it be angel, not be angel.
Okay.
So that if not me, I gonna say yes, not true, because I no go trust reach to that extent.
To the doubt your
If
husband.
you can't open up, tell me, say, see what thing they happen.
Yes.
I go believe my husband.
Okay.
Because I will give him that benefit of the doubt. Where I go get angry now. When he come seal him, do the thing finish. Me I come no.
When he don't feel him. Hello. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, now back to you. Question will be as you now will be answer me. Answer me what you want answer me.
Okay, if na me, I will come out outrightly. I will tell my wife, say, see as the matter they go. You understand? I will tell her, say, see as the matter.
Sorry, hold on. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I did fine. Baby, I'm fine now.
I did fine, Benita. Anything for the boys?
Nothing but the boys.
Why now?
Maybe you want to see Katim now. Let's go.
Katim, I don't talk about this now. Okay, Katim, dey traffic. She dey traffic. She dey come. I don't know where she go. All of us there here. Now she said she dey come. Now so she go. Traffic now don't hook am. Person, my producer mini match don't go carry and come for traffic now.
Okay, I want you to be big.
Yeah, good evening.
Oh, great, yeah.
How far now? DJ, how your body now?
Which body? Benita! Hey, Benita!
No,
How old are you?
I'm 18.
And he don't ask you how your body, you dey answer. Bye. Good evening. Oh, Jessica. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Jessica, good evening. Better person, how is you?
I'm okay. How are you doing now?
I dey fine. No, anything for the boys?
In fact, every day they want to now, so now the time I call, say hello.
Oh, thank you.
Good evening. Hello.
This guy, good evening.
Ask her how your body idiot.
How your body?
I dey fine. How you doing?
I dey fine, Jerry. Good evening.
Jessica, this matter what we dey talk. What you get to talk on top am?
I know that I did not go to go now. Waiting the fire they put eyes for another day for come up eyes there now.
No, the man not put eye. Now the girl now they put eye for the man because of I don't know, but now the girl now they put eye for the man.
Now he go resist the girl now. That's why I don't get one for house. Waiting they look no matter how get paid you go resist am.
Okay, no wahala, Jessica, thank you very much. Jessica, they talk because of say you not be man. You think say this mean the respect person? Emmanuel, good evening. Emmanuel.
Hello, Oga Nedu.
Hey, Emmanuel, good evening. Na mama keke me.
Fine.
Hey, my brother, this matter, what you get to talk about? If now you be the man, how you go tell your wife this kind of thing?
Oga Nedu, if na me be the man, wetin I go do na to set camera because if you go to tell your wife go kill say you don't do. Now you to get evidence. So if you say when you dey tell your wife go to see the evidence, say see am.
True.
Then you know go try let the girl know say
you said something like that.
You get something like that.
Okay.
Because you know there's some women you feel tell them then go dey without you.
Yes.
So once you get camera, when you say the evidence dey, the wife go to say because you know say you say the wife of the man trust and well.
Exactly, trust the girl well.
So now wetin dey there make the man set camera. So once you show the wife the evidence,
she go
the
believe.
wife no fit prove the man wrong.
Okay.
So now wetin I get to add.
All right, Emmanuel, thank you very much.
You know there.
Thank you. Now, he might talk something. You know, say some women. Jessica talk say, wait, made the man come on eye. Look, every part of man body, they respect.
They get their own
but
sense.
You see you see machine gun. Machine gun getting own separate sense. Now, this man now go tell the woman, sir, see what in the woman feel not believe her. The woman feel they think say, okay, maybe in don't wipe. Maybe something don't happen. Maybe the girl don't they do some kind of thing. Maybe the girl won't report her. Now make him call. Somehow she not feel. But anyway, make I ask you. I be the answer question before they call.
Yeah.
If now you wait, you go do easy bit.
If na me, I go tell my wife say, see as the matter they go, and I go even go further to tell am say the other day I no go lie give you. She almost don't catch me be that.
You go tell her say una kiss.
No, I don't get that.
Ifreke from Abuja, good evening. How you doing, Ifreke?
Fine.
How today?
Easy.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
How everybody now?
I can't hear you here.
Hey, hail for me, Jerry. Hail.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ifreke, I beg, chook mouth for this matter.
The matter where they grind too heavy, oh. But at least, being my husband, if you tell me, I go, pardon, I'm small. But you go there painful. Since that girl is in that house. You go there painful. If it is outside,
Okay.
But, I will pretend that with apology. I go understand him.
All right. No, Wahala, Ifreke, thank you very much. Hello, Emmanuel, good evening. Emmanuel from Benin, good evening.
Hello, Samson.
Oh,
Hello,
Samson,
Samson.
call hey. Dene.
Hello.
Na Emmanuel or Samson?
Samson from Benin.
Hey, Samu, how far now? How you there?
I do. Well done. You are really doing great work. Bro.
Thank you, my brother. Now, God.
Yeah.
Chook mouth for this matter.
Yes, boss. Good evening.
Good evening. How things now?
Fine, Jerry, boss. We thank God.
If I ask him hi, body.
After where you talk. If I don't understand my wife, they see what is going on. If you don't believe me, what I will do, just like what that man said, I will just set a camera.
Okay.
Once I set the camera to see the evidence.
Okay.
Because it's easy. We men, we only tempt every day by day. It is not God's grace. It's not easy. But once it's not believed, then I will still tell him more and more. To tell people that they can witness it, so that at the end of the day, if something else happens, so that they will not blame me that, you know, even temptation can come at any time. And this is not easy to hold, but when the electric starts, man will just bomb.
Thank you. He never get anybody. He never get anybody wake up saying go wipe.
Yeah.
He not get anybody. See, when I never see this girl, then I want to talk. Anyway, make we go small check in the break for you. When we come back, we will continue it. Still on top of the matter what we discuss this evening. Is it beat?